Hey guys, let me take this off. So yeah, it's been a fine day for me. I was just at home. I was supposed to do something, but I fell asleep, so I wasn't able to do a lot of things. It sucks, but yeah, I went out to buy some stuffs, and I finally got this one here. It's too bright. Coconut from Woolies, and it's made in the Philippines. I really love it, and I just got some other stuffs also, like chocolate croissant or something. And yeah, everything was good till on my way out. I had to go to the car, try to start my car, and the battery went flat. My battery's been going flat for quite some time now, so I might need new batteries. But yeah, it sucks. We haven't been going out, and I need to replace my batteries. And yeah, now my problem is I don't have a jumper cable. I had to look for it, but I can't find it, so I had to buy a new one, a new jumper cable. It sucks. And then after buying a new jumper cable, I have to come back home, get Laura's car, bring it there, try to connect them together like this. And then I tried to start her car, start my car, and then yeah, as soon as my car started, left it there, parked Laura's car. I had to make sure that it's parked properly. Went home, drove with a dead car, and then have to go back on my skateboard and get Laura's car. It was a lot of going back and forth, but yeah, and running time was running out. It was getting dark. It was getting late. Good thing I got it fitted. I got it done before curfew, which is 10. Was it 10? Yeah, nearly 9. I did it, but yeah, it's a lot of work, and my schedule today was moved. Like it's around 10:49, and I need to submit to upload this video before 12. So yeah, it's been a long day for me. I hope it's fine on your end. But yeah, other than that, good day. Nice to use my 24 mil again. Yeah.